Forgiveness. The sayings of Imam Jafar Sadiq as, if your worldly demands are attainable, you should check your religion. Treat your fathers piously so that your sons will treat you piously. Keep yourselves away from these strange women so that your harem will be chaste. He who entrusts a betrayer with a deposit will be deprived of Allah's warranty. Imam as-Sadiq as said to Humran bin Ayan, O Humran, look to him who is less powerful than you are, and do not look at him who is more powerful, so that you will be more satisfied with what Allah has allotted for you, and will be a greater motive to deserve the Lord's increase. Know that little permanent deed with conviction is more favorable to Allah than the many deeds that are lacking conviction. You should know also that no piety is more profitable than avoiding committing the prohibited matters, and the abstinence from harming and backbiting the believers. No living is more pleasant than good mannerism. No fortune is more advantageous than satisfaction with the sufficient and the little, and no ignorance is more harmful than self-conceit.